So this is what you do when your husband leaves you for New York City and you're all alone. You food shop. I went to Trader Joe's, made out like a bandit, got every single green thing that I could. Rice, cauliflower, tomatoes, bell peppers, avocados, tempeh, chicken, turkey, blueberries. Oh, and trying this guy. Thought I'd give it a whirl. Not sure how good it is, but we shall see. So I want you guys to guess how much I spent on all this food. Also grabbed a couple of leafy greens too, just for some volume there. So can you guess how much I spent on about, this is at least 6 to 8 meals. You were wrong. Look at this total, $57.78 for all this food. Under $60, more than 6 meals. Guys, what is your excuse here? Nada.